Here's the seat from the Z50. You can see it's kind of faded there, and the top's torn, back's all torn up. But the foam seems okay. So we'll recover that. We're to this nice shiny new one. Reproduction, Honda on the back. Yeah, everything looks pretty good, so that will be a new seat that way. There are a bunch of little hooks right in here that will bend up. There we go. All right, old cover, gone. So this would just be a little piece of hard plastic, so it's not cutting on your metal here. And the other thing here is some of these are dented up, probably from some crashes. Same thing with the back, so we'll straighten those out. So we'll put our kind of anti-abrasive thing in here. I'm going to try and leave our main seat cushion on. We're just kind of working it in because this was quite mangled. Yeah, look at that, it's all twisted. So I wonder if at some point the seat wasn't recovered once. Let's see if we can get the pick in there. Hey, that works really well. There we go. Yeah, so that's not too bad. So I'm going to try hooking from the front. That's my low point. That's my low point there. That looks pretty good here on my front. My back, that looks pretty darn good. So the old one is all poked in up here on the upper part. Same thing if we did on the back. It's still kind of loose there, but our sides aren't done yet. Let's try one on our back and see what it looks like. And I'll do one on each side. Yeah, so it still looks a little loose to me. But we want this seam here to be in the middle, kind of. So I think I'll just try pulling it around. Yeah, it just looks like it could be tighter. So front and back wise, I like it. I think I'm going to pull these sides in a bit more. Just to get rid of those creases. See, that's still a little bit floppy up there. So I'm just using the end of a big pry bar here. Because it beats my finger getting destroyed. Just trying to do these symmetrical. So we have even tension. So this is just a little bit of the junk behind the foam. Yeah, that's looking not bad. Little ridge there. Of course, we don't have a perfect seat frame to start with. Might just take these in a bit more here. That looks a little better. That looks pretty good. Z50R. Nice work.